Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford vehicle. It could be any Ford vehicle, guys. If you need to test your steering angle sensor to find out if it's good or bad, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that. We'll be using one tool that's very inexpensive, but it's a life-saving tool, practically almost like dealer level equipment in your pocket, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. Now we'll be demonstrating on Ford C-Max, but it will work on almost any modern Ford. If you have traction control, guys, you have a steering angle sensor, so practically almost any vehicle past year 2000 will have those. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you guys need to buy new steering angle sensor, parts, tools, diagnostics, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tools, supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically, guys, here. If you come right here now inside, let me show you. You need to, guys, okay, the steering angle sensor on these modern cars, guys, most of the times it's on steering column or it's integrated in the clock spring or right behind the clock spring. In order to replace it, often you need to remove the airbag, steering wheel, and you need to take the plastic covers for the steering column apart, and you will be able to do that. Once you do that, guys, okay, you'll be able to get to it. But there is no need to do that because there is a simple fix if you have a bad steering angle sensor. In some cases it could be just a sensor that's not calibrated, so we'll talk about that in a second. Find the OBD port on your Ford vehicle. It could be under the dash or under a cover like that. This is the diagnostic port. The tool that we'll be using, it's the Think tool, guys. This is practically dealer level equipment in your pocket. It can access every computer system in your Ford, and some modern Fords have up to 50 computers. It's amazing, guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from and exactly which one it is. So go ahead, connect it, turn the ignition switch on, okay? And once we do that, guys, okay, let me show you now here. We're going to open the app. This is the app right here, and it says All System Diagnostics. That's the one that we need to click. And this actually, guys, system works on any car almost in the world you can think of. It's amazing too that it can pay itself off in one-time use. So let's go ahead, guys, okay, and show you something here now. I'm going to go ahead and click VIN decoding. It's going to connect, okay, and once it connects, guys, okay, it's going to read the VIN number, decode it. It will tell us that we have a Ford C-Max 2013 model, guys, okay, 2013 model right there. Follow the instructions on the screen because it will tell you to switch the ignition on. Perfect. It's communicating now with all the different systems. It will load, and you can see you can do programming, you can do special functions, system selection, system scan, health report. Now here, guys, you either go to the anti-lock braking system, or in some cases it could be a steering angle sensor module. Steering angle sensor module right here. Select that one. Here, guys, okay, I want to show you something now. Here you can check data and all that stuff, but if you go back to ABS, I believe it was ABS, special functions, you can do, guys, okay, all different things, but under one of those, okay, you will have, let me see exactly which one it was, by the way. It could be under powertrain control module. Sometimes if you have problems with the steering angle sensor, it could be a sensor that's not calibrated. That could be the reason for that, and we have a special video that will explain about calibration and what to do. But under calibration, guys, you can rewarm the steering angle sensor. It will reset it. We have the video on the channel if you want. Check it out. It's made already. But we're going to go to steering angle sensor and show you how to test it today, which is not complicated at all. We're going to go to okay, right here we'll see read data stream. Now we're going to select all the parameters. Check it out now. The steering wheel is facing forward. The battery voltage is 14.8 volts. power mode, key status running. Steering angle sensor change rate, that's how fast it's turning, the correction, left or right. Okay, and the steering angle sensor, guys. Okay, steering wheel angle sensor velocity, that's the angle sensor right here now. It's at 9 degrees. So let's go ahead and turn the steering wheel a little bit, okay, to the left. Check it out now. Okay, that shows you the position. Okay, that shows you the steering angle degree. Now, if you, that's for the degrees, but if you want to go to the, actually to the position, okay, let me show you exactly where it was the position. That's the velocity, how fast it's moving. Okay. So we will go to anti-lock braking system right here, guys. Okay, and go to read data stream. Under data stream, guys, okay, what we're going to select now is everything about steering angle sensor. So we'll go to down. Okay, you have all those parameters. So steering, okay, pedal sensor calibration, steering angle sensor. Let me see where it is. Steering angle, steering wheel angle, steering wheel angle sensor right here. That's the one that we need. Okay, so I'll click OK. Now the steering wheel angle sensor, it's at negative 0.2 degrees. Okay, so if I turn it with the leg to the left, it goes negative 29 degrees. If I turn it about 90 degrees, guys, okay, 90 degrees like that, this is 90 degrees, that's quarter revolution. It says 90 degrees to the left. If I turn it 180 degrees, it should be close to 180, right? Okay, approximately. Close, 180. Now I can go all the way, that's 360 degrees. One revolution is 360 degrees. A little bit of math class today. So, check it out, working. Now if I go to the right side, now that's at 0 again. The wheels are straight. If I go to the right side, okay, should be about 90 degrees, should be right here. It says 88. And if I go all the way to the bottom, okay, about 180. It says 182. So we're good, guys. Okay, that steering angle sensor is perfect. It's the negative numbers because you're going to the right. The left will be positive, right will be negative numbers. That's 360 degrees right here. The maximum will be 416, 18, 20 degrees. 420, putting quite a bit of pressure. So you get the idea, guys. That's how you can test it. If not, you can perform the procedure to reset it. If when you're facing straight, it doesn't say 0 degrees, it's like negative or positive 5, 3, 7 degrees, that could be what's triggering your ABS and traction control light. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.